Hello and welcome. This is your host from HS Infotech, and today we're going to learn about how you can install and activate the Yoast SEO plugin inside of WordPress. Without further ado, let's get started. So for the first step, you're going to go to the plugin section, go to Add New, and it's going to direct you to Add Plugins web page, where you have to search about Yoast SEO on the right-hand side of the web page. It's going to come up with a few results, where the first one is the one you have to install. Click on the install button. It's going to take a while. Then, after installing, click on Activate. Now your Yoast SEO is active. Now you can go to your dashboard, where inside SEO, on the left-hand side, you're going to see the general option. Go to it, and there you can find the general Yoast SEO settings, which you can change according to your need. It also has a premium version of it. So that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it. Thank you for watching.